I was always the kind of kid that was drawn to animals. It's always been a big part of my life, and it's something that I was always kind of destined to do. I'm Christina Kelliher, and I'm a mobile vet nurse and cat behaviour consultant, and I run Feline Focus. So Feline Focus is a community-based service bringing low-cost preventative health care to cats in the community in a low-stress environment. So I can go to them or they can come to me in my clinic, and either way their cats get the health care that they need. Job satisfaction is everything, and I found myself in a position where I was working in a job that didn't truly satisfy me. So the decision was made to do something to change that situation and improve my quality of life. The flexibility of studying with distance with Otago Polytechnic allowed me to continue working and do my studies at the same time. And so by the time I was ready to transition into that field, half the work was already done. I've always had a love for animals ever since I could remember, and particularly with cats, they've always been a big part of my life. I found that in clinic we were seeing cats a lot less often than dogs. Part of that was because of the stress that they experience when they travel to the vet. The convenience of going to a client's home was much needed in our community. It just takes away some of that stress, and people just love being able to care for their pets. I'm driven by my absolute love of cats. It's just a real big passion, and if I can make a difference in someone's lives and it reignites that love that they have for their pet, then that's hugely rewarding.